So this is how the weekend started after work. Saturday we went to Joy's Woodland Hills, had a few cocktails and some girl talk.
Who said I'm doing the bending? Or who said I'm getting bent over?
Oh, that's the video that you did?
Oh my God.
Not you made a candle.
I already closed the shop. It's too much. I closed it down.
What?
All over the place. You know I need like I felt like I was breaking even. Like I feel like I wasn't even making a profit. Really. You know? Not you doing a candle.
These are the drinks. I had a spicy margarita that wasn't spicy, an espresso martini. And y'all, look at Dominique drink. She was so upset about that. The service was a subpar. So we just ate, and just got appetizers because it was pretty whack. But it was just something to do. So fast forward to that Sunday, I got a package that was supposed to be delivered on Saturday. I was having a time right here trying to get it out. Oh my God. My man.
Like a deal breaker for me is I hate niggas that's cheap. Like, but you got you a bad bitch, spend some money on me.
So this is dinner. I was chefing it up. This is what I made, some jambalaya. I hadn't made this in a long time. Made this for me and my son. And yes, I am serving it up in a paper plate. So today's Lover's Day, and I got another delivery. These are beautiful flower arrangements, and these are made out of soap, guys. This is so creative. He said I get on his nerves. He be getting on my nerves too. So then I'm headed off to Van Cleef to get my bracelet, and boom, so it's closed. So then I hop into Valentine's night at Mother Wolf. We just watching people Valentine's Day stories and chilling, talking.
Oh my God, you guys are amazing. All right.
Look at this food, y'all. The pizza was immaculate. The squash blossoms, the oxtail meatballs, the prawns, everything.
So it's ricotta cheese in this, right? You got it? All right, I'm going to be the first one. I'm not adventurous with my food either. I'm like, no, I don't want it.
It's given. Tempura. Potato chips.
Yep.
It's fire.
And I would have never picked this. Like,
Never.
I know sometimes like it's hard to imagine what things would be like. You need something to like, you know,
from scratch. Right?
Seasoned very well. This cheese in the inside.
This is amazing.
Good. What you ordering?